friends, welcome to my channel Law Students Corner. കേരള LLB എൻട്രൻസ് എക്സാമിന് തയ്യാറെടുക്കുന്ന കൂട്ടുകാർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോ. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം 5-year LLB എൻട്രൻസ് എക്സാമിന് ചോദിച്ച ലീഗൽ ആപ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാൻ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. Question number 1. Which one of the following schools of jurisprudence laid emphasis on the question, how did law come to be? Option A, analytical. Option B, sociological. Option C, historical. Option D, philosophical. Correct answer is option C, historical. Question number 2. Who defined jurisprudence as the formal science of positive law? Option A, Salmond. Option B, Austin. Option C, Stone. Option D, Holland. Correct answer is option D, Holland. Question number 3. Who has the authority to call a joint sitting of the two houses of parliament? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, President. Option C, Member of Lok Sabha. Option D, Member of Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is option B, President. Question number 4. Under which Chief Justice of India the Constitution Bench described the basic structure of the Constitution for the first time? Option A, Justice J.M. Sheelath. Option B, Justice J.S. Verma. Option C, Justice Sikri. Option D, Justice K.V. Chandrachud. Correct answer is option C, Justice Sikri. Question number 5. Which constitutional article provides personal immunity for President and Governors for official act? Option A, Article 365. Option B, Article 366. Option C, Article 361. Option D, Article 368. Correct answer is option C, Article 361. Question number 6. Which constitutional article defines law declared by Supreme Court to be binding on all courts? Option A, Article 141. Option B, Article 142. Option C, Article 143. Option D, Article 144. Correct answer is option A, Article 141. Question number 7. Which constitutional article lays down the provision for a national commission for scheduled caste? Option A, Article 337. Option B, Article 334. Option C, Article 338. Option D, Article 339. Correct answer is option C, Article 338. Question number 8. Acceptance is to an offer is what a lighted match is to a train of gunpowder. This principle was propounded by option A, Pollock and Muller. Option B, Friedman. Option C, Chesley and Fifoot. Option D, Sir William and Soon. Correct answer is option D, Sir William and Soon. Question number 9. Good displayed in a shop window with price label will amount to option A, offer. Option B, acceptance of offer. Option C, invitation to offer. Option D, counter offer. Correct answer is option C, invitation to offer. Question number 10. When the consent to an agreement is obtained by undue influence, the agreement is voidable at the option of option A, either of the parties to the agreement. Option B, a party whose consent is obtained. Option C, a party who obtained the consent. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, a party whose consent is obtained. Question number 11. A contract can be discharged by option A, mutual agreement and performance. Option B, lapse of time and operation of law. Option C, breach of contract. Option D, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 12. A contract with the resident of an enemy country is option A, illegal. Option B, void. Option C, valid. Option D, voidable. Correct answer is option B, void. Question number 13. A miner's estate is liable for the dash supplied to him. Option A. Luxuries. Option B. Savories. Option C. Necessaries. Option D. All the things. Correct answer is option C. Necessaries. Question number 14. If an Indian citizen commits any offence outside India, he, option A, cannot be prosecuted in India as the act was not committed in India. Option B, can be prosecuted in the country where the offence was committed. Option C, can be prosecuted in India in any place where he may be found. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, can be prosecuted in India in any place where he may be found. Question number 15. In which of the following the right of private defense do not extend to cause death of the offender? Option A. Rape. Option B. Causing miscarriage. Option C. Gratifying unnatural lust. Option D. Kidnapping. Correct answer is option B. Causing miscarriage. Question number 16. Robbery is an aggravated form of option A. Theft. Option B. Extortion. Option C. Either theft or extortion. Option D. Either theft or extortion or of both. Correct answer is option D. Either theft or extortion or of both. Question number 17. Which of the following is an offence which is punishable in 4 stages? Option A. Robbery. Option B. Dacoity. Option C. Murder. Option D. Rape. Correct answer is option B. Dacoity. Question number 18. Minimum number of persons required to commit an affray is option A 5, option B 2, option C 10, option D 11. Correct answer is option B 2. Question number 19. Nothing is an offence which is done by a child under option A 8 years of age, option B 10 years of age, option C 7 years of age, option D 12 years of age. Correct answer is option C 7 years of age. Question number 20. How many types of punishments have been prescribed under the Indian Penal Code? Option A 3, option B 6, option C 5, option D 4. Correct answer is option C 5. Question number 21. Dishonesty has been defined as doing anything with intention to cause wrongful gain to one person and wrongful loss to another under option A section 21, option B section 23, option C section 24, option D section 25. Correct answer is option C section 24. Question number 22. TMA Pi Foundation case 2002 was a dash. Option A 9 judge bench judgment. Option B 11 judge bench judgment. Option C 5 judge bench judgment. Option D 7 judge bench judgment. Correct answer is option B 11 judge bench judgment. Question number 23. If I was asked to name any particular article in this constitution as the most important, an article without which this constitution would not refer to any other article except this one. It is the very soul of the constitution and very heart of it, and I am glad that the House has realized it. Its statement of dash. Option A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar about Article 21. Option B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar about Article 14. Option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar about Article 32. Option D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar about Article 19. Correct answer is option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar about Article 32. Question number 24. In which of the judgment Honorable Supreme Court held that judicial review is itself the basic feature of the Constitution? Option A. Kolho vs. State of Tamil Nadu. Option B. Minerva Mills vs. Union of India. Option C. Chandrakumar vs. Union of India. Option D. All the above are correct. Correct answer is option D. Question number 25. In which of the following judgment was delivered by Justice V.R. Krishnaiyer? Option A. Maneka Gandhi vs. Union of India. Option B. Akhil Bharatiya Karmachari Sangh versus Union of India. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Neither A or B. Correct answer is option C. Both A and B. Question number 26. Which of the following statement is true? The guaranteed right under Article 32 itself may be suspended by a presidential order under Option A. Article 358 Clause 1. Option B. Article 359 Clause 1. Option C. Article 357 Clause 1. Option D. Article 356 Clause 1. Correct answer is option B. Article 359 Clause 1. Question number 27. Additional District Magistrate Jabalpur versus S.S. Shukla judgment was delivered by Option A. Chief Justice Sikri. Option B. Chief Justice Bhagavati. Option C. Chief Justice Chandrachud. Option D. Chief Justice A.N. Ray. Correct answer is option D. Chief Justice A.N. Ray. Question number 28. The constitutionality of the anti-defection law has been upheld by the Supreme Court in the case of Option A. S.R. Bommai vs. Union of India. Option B. Kiholta Holohan vs. Sachillu. Option C. Keshav Singh vs. Speaker. Option D. S.P. Gupta vs. Union of India. Correct answer is option B. Kiholta Holohan vs. Sachillu. Question number 29. The provision in the Constitution regulating criminal appeals to Supreme Court. Option A. Article 136. Option B. Article 141. Option C. Article 134. Option D. Article 132. Correct answer is option C. Article 134. Question number 30. The President of India is to appoint a person to be the Attorney General for India who is qualified to be appointed as Option A. High Court Judge. Option B. Supreme Court Judge. Option C. Either A or B. Option D. Member of Parliament. Correct answer is option B. Supreme Court Judge. Question number 31. Which is the constitutional provision relevant for solving questions of repugnancy between a central law and a state law? Option A. Article 254. Option B. Article 234. Option C. Article 245. Option D. Article 243. Correct answer is option A. Article 254. Question number 32. In which case the Supreme Court laid down that the creamy layer has to be excluded from the backward class? Option A. Emma Balaji vs. State of Mysore. Option B. Valsamma Paul vs. Cochin University. Option C. Indira Shone vs. Union of India. Option D. Inder Singh vs. State of Rajasthan. Correct answer is option C. Indira Shone vs. Union of India. Question number 33. Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause B guarantees to the citizens of India the right to Option A. Speech and expression. Option B. Form association. Option C. Trade and profession. Option D. Assemble peacefully and without arms. Correct answer is option D. Assemble peacefully and without arms. Question number 34. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes? Option A. 7th schedule. Option B. 6th schedule. Option C. 5th schedule. Option D. 4th schedule. Correct answer is option C. 5th schedule. Question number 35. Who makes rules to determine the conditions of service and tenure of office of the election commissioners? Option A. President subject to the law made by the Parliament. Option B. President subject to the law made by Lok Sabha. Option C. Parliament subject to the control of President. Option D. Speaker. Correct answer is option A. President subject to the law made by the Parliament. Question number 36. The original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court is stated under Option A. Article 141. Option B. Article 131. Option C. Article 231. Option D. Article 226. Correct answer is option B. Article 131. Question number 37. The Parliament has power to legislate with respect to a matter in the state list in the national interest if the resolution is supported by option A. 2/3 members of Council of States, option B. 1/3 members of Council of States, option C. half of the members of Council of States, option D. both houses of the Parliament. Correct answer is option A. 2/3 members of Council of States. Question number 38. The power of Parliament to make any law with respect to matters not enumerated in the concurrent list or state list is option A. extraterritorial power, option B. concurrent power, option C. legislative power, option D. residuary power. Correct answer is option D. residuary power. Question number 39. The chairperson of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste is appointed by the President by option A. notice, option B. warrant, option C. oath, option D. either of the above. Correct answer is option B. warrant. Question number 40. Which House of the Parliament prefers charge for impeachment of the President? Option A. House of People, option B. Council of States, option C. either House of Parliament, option D. both House of Parliament. Correct answer is option C. either House of Parliament. Question number 41. A retired judge of a High Court cannot option A. practice in the Supreme Court, option B. practice in any High Court in India, option C. practice in any court except Supreme Court and other High Court, option D. practice in any court in India. Correct answer is option C. practice in any court except Supreme Court and other High Court. Question number 42. From where did the makers of the Indian Constitution derive the parliamentary structure of the government? Option A. Britain, option B. United States of America, option C. Ireland, option D. none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Britain. Question number 43. The words except according to procedure established by law in Article 21 of the Constitution of India were borrowed by the framers of option A. Japan, option B. USA, option C. Russia, option D. none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Japan. Question number 44. The preamble of the Constitution was prepared by option A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, option B. Sardar Patel, option C. Mahatma Gandhi, option D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is option A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 45. On which among the following days the Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly? Option A. 26 April 1950, option B. 26 March 1950, option C. 26 November 1949, option D. 26 January 1950. Correct answer is option C. 26 November 1949. Question number 46. The Indian Constitution does not follow the model of the Constitution of option A. UK, option B. USA, option C. China, option D. Ireland. Correct answer is option C. China. Question number 47. We borrowed the concept of fundamental duties from the option A. American Constitution, option B. Irish Constitution, option C. Canadian Constitution, option D. USSR Constitution. Correct answer is option D. USSR Constitution. Question number 48. The terms secular, integrity and socialist were added to the preamble in option A. 1979, option B. 1977, option C. 1976, option D. 1975. Correct answer is option C. 1976. Question number 49. Which of the following pairs is correct regarding the sources of the Constitution of India? Option A. Republic, Constitution of France, option B. Powers of Supreme Court, American Constitution, option C. Rule of law, British Constitution? Option D. All are correct. Correct answer is option D. Question number 50. Under which of the following article laws inconsistent or abridging fundamental rights are declared void? Option A. Article 12. Option B. Article 13. Option C. Article 11. Option D. Article 21. Correct answer is option B. Article 13. Question number 51. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion under Article 15 of the Constitution of India is a fundamental right classifiable under option A. The right to freedom of religion. Option B. The right against exploitation. Option C. The cultural and educational rights. Option D. The right to equality. Correct answer is option D. The right to equality. Question number 52. Article 15 of the Constitution of India shall not prevent the state from making any special provision for option A. Women and children. Option B. Socially and educationally backward classes of citizens. Option C. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question number 53. Which of the following article was introduced by the Constitution Act 2005? Option A. 15 clause 3. Option B. 15 clause 2. Option C. 15 clause 4. Option D. 15 clause 5. Correct answer is option D. 15 clause 5. Question number 54. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment is provided under Article option A 14, option B 15, option C 16, option D 17. Correct answer is option C 16. Question number 55. How many categories of freedom an Indian citizen shall have under Article 19 of the Constitution of India at present? Option A 6, option B 7, option C 8, option D 9. Correct answer is option A 6. Question number 56. No person can be employed in factories or mines unless he is above the age of option A 12 years, option B 14 years, option C 18 years, option D 20 years. Correct answer is option B 14 years. Question number 57. Rights relating to freedom of religion are contained in option A. Article 25 to 30, option B. Article 26 to 30, option C. Article 25 to 28, option D. Articles 25 to 31. Correct answer is option C. Article 25 to 28. Question number 58. No citizen shall be denied admission into any educational institution maintained by the state or receiving aid out of state funds on grounds only of caste, language or any of them. This is provided in Article Dash of the Constitution of India. Option A 29 clause 1, option B 29 clause 2, option C 29 clause 3, option D 30 clause 1. Correct answer is option B 29 clause 2. Question number 59. Uniform Civil Code is applicable in which of the following states? Option A. Nagaland, option B. Goa, option C. Maharashtra, option D. Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer is option B. Goa. Question number 60. Legal principle. Whoever intending to take dishonestly a movable property out of the possession of any person without that person's consent moves that property is said to commit theft. Whoever commits theft shall be punished with imprisonment which may extend to 3 years or with fine or with both. Factual situation. Hari sees a cell phone belonging to Ram lying on the table in Ram's house. Hari hides the cell phone in Ram's house in such a way that Ram could not find it ever. Hari did this with the intention of taking away the cell phone. He took the phone and then sell it away. Question: is Hari guilty of theft? Option A, yes. Option B, no, because he merely played a prank with his friend. Option C, yes, because Hari did not inform Ram about the place where he had hidden the cell phone. Option D, yes, because Hari intended to take the movable property from Ram's possession and with this intention he moved the property. Correct answer is option D. Question number 61. Legal principle. A person is guilty of cheating when he fraudulently induces another person to deliver the latter's property to him. Factual situation. A falsely represented to be a shop owner that he was an officer from the commercial tax department. While examining the shop, A showed interest in buying a microwave oven on installment basis. B readily agreed with the hope that he would get a favorable assessment of tax liability. A paid the first installment, took the microwave oven and disappeared from the scene. The police, however, managed to catch hold of A for cheating. Decide. Option A. A committed cheating because he induced B to part with the microwave oven, posing as though he was from the commercial tax department. Option B. A committed cheating because he did not pay the subsequent installment. Option C. A did not commit cheating because B handed over the article in order to get a favorable assessment from A. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. Question number 62. Legal principle 1. Mischief is an injury to property with the intention of causing wrongful loss to any person or public. Legal principle 2. The person to whom the wrongful loss is caused by mischief need not be the owner of the property himself. Factual situation. A has leased his house to B for 5 years. After 1 year, A feels that need for the house and requests B to vacate the house. In order to get B to vacate the house, A causes fire to it, but B, with the help of the neighbors, quickly extinguishes the fire before it could really damage the life of B. Option A. A is guilty of mischief. Option B. A cannot be guilty of causing mischief. Option C. A is not guilty of mischief as there was no damage. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. A is guilty of mischief. Question number 63. Legal principle. A parent is not liable for a tort committed by his or her child except when the parent affords the child as opportunity. Factual situation. A mother takes her 7-year-old son with her to market. On reaching the market, she shuts the car ignition, pulls the handbrake and pushes the gear. She leaves her son in the car only. The child starts playing with the car. He releases the brakes and pushes the gear lever to neutral. As a result, the car starts moving down the road and runs down a pedestrian. Question. What is the liability of the mother? Option A. The mother is not liable because she took great care to ensure that the car would remain stationary. Option B. The mother is liable because she was negligent. Option C. The son is liable because his action caused accident. Option D. The pedestrian is liable as he could have been careful while walking on the road. Correct answer is option B. The mother is liable because she was negligent. Question number 64. Legal principle 1. Acceptance of an offer is complete when the acceptance is put into the course of transmission so as to be out of the power of the acceptor. Legal principle 2. Acceptance once completed makes the agreement binding on both the parties. Factual situation. A accepts to buy B's offer of his motor car for rupees 4 lakh. The acceptance was put into email. Unfortunately, when the email sent had distortions as a result of which B is not in a position to really read what A has written. Option A. Both the parties are bound to perform their part of the agreement. Option B. Nobody is bound to perform the agreement. Option C. A is bound to perform the agreement but not B. Option D. B is bound to perform the agreement but not A. Correct answer is option A. Both the parties are bound to perform their part of the agreement. Question number 65. Legal principle. A contract is an agreement which the law will enforce. All agreements are contracts if they are made with free consent, competent to contract for a lawful consideration and with a lawful object. Factual situation. Sohan, a young man of 32 years without any consideration, agrees to give Mohan rupees 10,000. Sohan fails to fulfill his promise to Sohan for the amount. Decide. Option A. Mohan will succeed as Sohan made the promise of his own free will. Option B. Mohan will fail as the agreement is without consideration. Option C. Mohan will succeed as Sohan has the capacity to make the contract. Option D. Mohan will succeed as the money is not being for any illegal object. Correct answer is option B. Mohan will fail as the agreement is without consideration. Question number 66. Legal principle. An agreement is enforceable at law if parties competent to contract enter into it with free consent for consideration not contrary to law and against public policy. Factual situation. A boy of 16 years entered into an agreement to sell his flat at Bandra for some person. Father is very annoyed with A at the transaction and does not allow delivery. The buyer files a suit for a specific performance. Option A. The buyer will obtain relief because A freely entered into the contract. Option B. The buyer will obtain relief because the agreement is with consideration. Option C. The buyer will not succeed because A's father does not approve of the contract. Option D. The buyer will not succeed because A is below 18 years of age. Correct answer is option D. The buyer will not succeed because A is below 18 years of age. Question number 67. Legal principle. Contingent contract to do or not to do anything if an uncertain future event happens cannot be enforced by law happened. If the event becomes impossible, such contracts become void. Factual situation. A bought a car from B and promised that if the car did not have any accident within 1 year, he would give rupees 5,000. Is the contract valid? Option A. If the car does not commit any accident, it is a valid contract. Option B. If it is a valid contract even if the car commits an accident. Option C. It is an invalid contract even if the car commits an accident or not. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. If the car does not commit any accident, it is a valid contract. Question number 68. Legal principle. Capital punishment should not be awarded to an accused of murder cases as it is called the murder by state. The abolition of capital punishment dates back at least to the early period of 20th century by enlightened liberals. The police firing on unarmed crowds is a more gruesome form of murder by the state. Factual situation. A police officer fired on B with his office pistol, thinking that B was a wanted criminal in 5 murder cases. But B was an individual in the elite society having his own export company of international repute. Decision. Option A. A cannot be strictly prosecuted with the capital punishment as it is called murder by state. Option B. A can be prosecuted with capital punishment as it has not been abolished by parliament or state legislatures in India. Option C. A cannot be prosecuted as it has deterrently affected to the criminals and the rate of murder cases have been tremendously reduced in India. Option D. A cannot be prosecuted with capital punishment as the death sentence or capital punishment is illegal and unsocial has been declared by the state legislatures in India. Correct answer is option B. A can be prosecuted with capital punishment as it has not been abolished by parliament or state legislatures in India. Question number 69. Legal principle. The doctrine of basic structure in constitutional jurisprudence means that the Constitution of India has certain basic structure and cannot be taken away through amendments by the Parliament. The power of judicial review is a part of the basic structure and it helps the Constitution to determine whether an amendment is against the basic structure or not. Factual situation. Parliament proposes an amendment to limit the power of appeal against conviction for the offence of sedition to be exercised by Supreme Court of India. Option A. The proposed amendment is against the doctrine of basic structure. Option B. The proposed amendment is unconnected to the doctrine of basic structure. Option C. The proposed amendment can be reviewed and struck down by the constitutional courts. Option D. The proposed amendment is beyond the power of the Parliament. Correct answer is option C. The proposed amendment can be reviewed and struck down by the constitutional courts. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment box. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of new videos. Thank you for watching.